Welcome, Mini Gems, to Mills Mini Gestures. So today we have a Zuru Mini Brand Mini. So this, I believe, is actually our third unboxing. So let's give it a go.
Whoa.
Okay, so here's with the magnet. So we got the donut. Nice. We'll take it. Okay. So let's start with our first item. Oh, so this is actually the eggplants. So we don't have this one, so we'll take it. Then we got the, oh, what's this? We got the shredded hash browns. And it's like puffy, like there's nothing in there, but it's still super cute. All right. So far, we got two new ones. And I think I just jinxed myself. So we have the cooked lobster already. So we already found this one. Let's go with the other one. So we got the fresh milk. We don't have this one, so pretty happy about that as well. Let's see our next one. Oh, did we? No way. So we got the Cool Whip and now we got the Philadelphia cheese. I'm lactose intolerant. This is so funny. Okay, so let's keep going. Adding to our collection. And this is our last one. Oh, almost ripped it. And we got bacon, bacon. Well, it's pretty detailed, but it doesn't open and not like the other ones that I've seen online, but still, we'll keep it to our collection. So let's take out our collector's guide. So let's see. So we didn't get any of these. Okay. So we got this. So did we? Kind of looks like, yeah, we got this. So we got this. And let's see on the other side. We got, you see, the Philadelphia. That's pretty cool. And then we got the hash brown bag. Is it shredded hash brown? Yeah. And, oh, fresh milk. The eggplants. You see, I already have the lobster. And we're adding the little donut. So until next time.